What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am testing out recording on a GoPro because my video quality has been terrible. So I am going to try this and see how I like it. Maybe we'll do more this way. We'll see. Update on the car. I had a few boost leaks. Those are fixed now. My boost controller wasn't working. That is also fixed. So this weekend I am changing the oil in the car and I'm ripping out the wiring from the sub and everything that was in it, which is a lot of wiring, and I've been holding off on it. So now's the time to do it. I am staring right at my tire right now, which is full of air. So I'm gonna check the PSI and see if it's moved at all. And maybe it was just some weird fluke, I don't know. But I feel like I should do like a normal car person. It's not even normal. I got a daily, it's a Ford Fusion, 2019 Ford Fusion Hybrid. I'm gonna do a little intro video on it. You guys tell me how you like it. It's locked. Dang it. Okay, this is like a weird point of view. I don't have a GoPro mount, so I literally just have this sitting in the middle of my gauge cluster right now because it's hard to hold on to the GoPro while I'm doing pulls safely. I'm not launching my car. What I'm doing is brake boosting. That was supercharged. So I'm just brake boosting, easing into the power. I can't get traction though. When I brake boosted earlier, I was able to get it to almost 15 pounds of boost. It's bright as hell. I don't know, he seems like a cool dude. What gear am I in? So the good news is I am properly building boost. Couldn't get traction, as you can hear. I'm gonna slightly apologize because this video might have a lot of talking in it. So we're good to go. We built 16.5 pounds of boost. I didn't get a video of it because it's kind of difficult. But this means that the entire 2 years that I've owned this car, I've never built over 11 pounds of boost. So that explains why I've only ran a 1018 at the track. And now I want to find out what I actually run. I'm so happy. I'm so mad, kind of, because it was so simple. Literally had a couple boost leaks, some clamps were loose, and there was a short. So there's a switch in my center console, an auxiliary switch that turns my boost controller on and off. There was a short in it, and so my boost controller wasn't getting power, and it was stuck in a mode that built less boost on top of the boost leaks, so it wouldn't push over 11. And of course, as always, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your support. I feel like it was like 2 weeks ago that I was bringing up how I just hit 700 subscribers and now there's a little over 820 of you. So always appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, turn on notifications for new videos. Yeah, thanks.